sequencing of accounts in the trial balance. So you need to know the sequence of accounts in the general ledger. Right, the trial balance is divided into two sections. We said we've got a balance sheet section, number 1. Number 2, we've got a nominal account section. So owner's equity, this represents the interest of the owner, or the interest the owner has in the business. You've got capital, all right, the amount of money that the owner puts into the business. There are different types of capital, but normally when we make a transaction, we're talking about the amount of money it puts into the business. Drawings is the amount of money this owner will use for personal use from the business. Okay, fixed assets, we are referring to land and buildings, so assets that you'll have for longer than a year. Okay, so we do not refer to buildings only. Obviously, if you're renting a place, you just have a building, but when you are, even if you are renting, that land stands on land. All right, in grade 8 this is land and buildings. Also in further grades it should be land and buildings. So a building stands on land, we call it land and buildings account. Vehicles the vehicles that belong to the business. All right, company cars. Equipment, any equipment that we use in the business to render our service. For example, if you have a hair salon, that hair dryer, that's your equipment. All right, current assets. Okay, you've got bank, you've got trading stock. Don't see much of it in grade 8 because we're still doing a service business. You've got debtors. You also don't see it much in grade 8. And then you've got items of cash. All right, so current assets, we'll see proper examples at a later stage. I know you've seen good examples. I know you've seen good examples over there. Yeah. Right, nominal account section, you've got income. All right, any form of income. Sales is for trading businesses. You don't do sales because in grade 8 we don't do trading businesses. They used to do them a long time ago, but they don't do it anymore. They've limited it to service businesses. They're trying to help students understand financial literacy, accounting basically. Okay, current income, got other income, other incomes, rent income, commission income, interest income. Then you have expenses. All right, so expenses here, you can list them in any order on the chart balance, because an expense is an expense and you should be fine. All right, that's our trial balance. I'll continue in the next video with